Hey, this is Connor Dodd here, and this is one of my first videos, other than my other one. You can check it out on my channel, but I want to show you something that I got before my brother's birthday, and he doesn't like it. Yeah, isn't that cool? It's an Airsoft gun. He don't like it. He don't like that I got it. It's a Thompson. It has a magazine like this. It has several slots where you can customize it, as you can see. Really cool aiming system. It's a freaking Thomson. It has a strap. Well, it has a strap. It has safety, of course. And the coolest thing, look at this. Look at that. This thing, it cocks it. It's a pretty cool gun. I like it. Well, that's it for today. Peace out, Shamrockers.